today I have an all-time classic childhood favorite. It is Sloppy Joes. So I have a few ingredients. I have some onions starting. We're gonna add some bell pepper, ground beef, and I have a key ingredient that will probably shock you. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I need to dice my red bell pepper. I'm using red bell pepper and green just to add some color to it, and just to add that classic pepper flavor that we get from a Sloppy Joe. Ooh, I got juice in my eye. So I just added my bell pepper and onion to the pan. I'm just gonna give it a light saute before I add my ground beef just to help some of those flavors come out. And it'll complement that ground beef really well. So I'm giving my ground beef a good kind of rough chop just before I add it to the pan. I want it to, again, we're gonna make burgers, so in order for it to be on the bun really well and coagulate with the sauce. Okay. I'm adding a little salt and pepper. Okay, so once our ground beef starts to brown, we want to look for a nice brown color. We want to add our Worcestershire sauce. Stir that in. And then the last ingredient I'm going to be adding is a can of tomato soup. So I'm going to add some salt and pepper. And my last ingredient I'm going to be adding is tomato soup. Depending on how sloppy you want it, would depend on how much tomato soup you should use. So for me, I'm only gonna use 1 can, and we're just gonna cover it for a couple minutes, and we are ready to go. We'll be ready to eat. Okay, so our Sloppy Joes are all done. Came out really good. So I'm gonna get a good amount on each bun. Again, however, the sloppier the better, however sloppy you want it, you know, it's all up to you. And there we have it, people. Sloppy Joes are done, and they came out great. More recipes like this to come. Follow me on social media and look out for more videos, including recipes like these. Thanks, guys.